Alright, so welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you can see, I am not on a motorcycle right now. I am, in fact, returning from motorcycle shopping. Exciting, right? Backing my truck up into my driveway. And I had some luck. I went on the hunt. Found a new toy. Alright, let's go see what I bought. Should make a fantastic track day bike and canyon bike. She is cosmetically challenged, shall we say. She's going to need some tender loving care, some TLC. Alright, so let's begin the journey by getting the motorcycle off the bike carrier. Alright, so here's the R6 safely off and delivered to my driveway. You know, she's a little rough from neglect, but the price was right. It was a steal of a deal. Left side, obviously, the tires are absolutely trashed. As you can see, that's the rear. So the bike had a right side low side crash. You can see we've got some minor damage here on the exhaust pipe. We got some fairing damage here. Looks like the slider here took the impact. A little bit of scuffing here on the side. And missing the cowling on the tank here, and a little scuff on the right side of the tank. Clips are good, clip-ons are good. Other than that, front tire is also bad. Woo! I am not riding this motorcycle on these tires, but the rims are good, so really it is a cosmetic fix up, and I need to go through the engine. All new fluids, probably a new battery, new tires, new fairings, give her a tune-up, and then take her out and see what she can do. The chain looks really nasty, so more than likely a new chain. Yeah, there's O-ring damage, there's O-rings falling apart in here, so we're going to need to replace the chain. Sprocket looks, the rear set sprocket looks a little worn. I'll probably put a new front and rear sprocket on it. And just thoroughly clean the bike, set up the suspension correctly, and make it as good as I can possibly make it. But for the money, this was a great deal. Anyway, let the fun begin.